Alright guys, for this week's assignment, I did my mini lesson over shapes. This would probably be geared toward more preschool, kindergarten, or first graders. My first shape that I talked about was a circle. A circle has no corners, it's round and it never stops. So I would show the kids the soccer ball and the orange represent the shape of a circle. A square has four corners and also four equal sides. And I put a picture of a pizza box in a window to show what a square looks like. I would define equal for the kids. I would tell them that equal means the same. So all sides on the square are the same because they're equal. A triangle has three quarters. There's many different kinds of triangles, as I would tell the students about the picture on the bottom. And I put a picture of a piece of pizza as well. A rectangle has four corners also and has two equal sides. So I put a picture of a blackboard and of a TV screen to show the shape of a rectangle. An oval, like a circle, has no corners and it keeps going. So to show what an oval looks like, I put an oval-shaped mirror and an egg. A diamond or a rhombus has four quarters of four equal sides. I put a slow children at play sign to show the shape of a diamond. A pentagon has five corners and all the sides are symmetrical. I would show the kids the birdhouse at the top and the black spots in the ball, how they all have five sides. I would explain what symmetrical means. Symmetrical means that both sides are the same. I would tell the kids to, if they were to fold the shape in half and both sides would still be the same, then that would show that the shape is symmetrical. I would say a pentagon is symmetrical because one side matches the other. A hexagon has six corners and the sides are also symmetrical. An octagon has eight corners and the sides are again symmetrical. I put a picture of a clock and of a stop sign. Next, I'm going to talk about a couple of the 3D shapes, so I would explain what 3D means first. 3D means that object has depth, and then I would ask my students if they had ever been to a movie where they had to put on the special glasses and the characters in the movie looked like they were jumping out at you. A cone is a 3D shape and it has a flat face. I would tell my students that the flat face means that that's where the cone sits. And I put an ice cream cone to represent that and a construction cone. A sphere is a round, solid figure. It is also 3D, and like a circle, it has no corners. So I put a globe, a basketball, and another sphere-shaped object to show that. And that is all I have for my lesson.